What's up, you guys? It's been a minute since I once spoke to you, but right now I'm trying to make my own custom shoes. My own custom shoes. Okay, Photoshop 2020.
I get the access. That's cool.
But yeah, right now I'm gonna just go ahead and edit this. Right now it's a cutout of like my logo. I'm gonna go ahead and go around the ears, everything, and do a trace to just cut out the actual figure, so it won't be in a box. All right, I got the last 8.5s on the
I got your match right here too. If you want to try to hold on to it.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool.
I've been it, so.
I know, and those are good ones since you got the leather on it, the paint applies easier.
Right.
If you have the mesh ones, then they kind of.
Shoes are wide and my foot is really narrow. I need them, so I'm gonna get them.
You gonna get them?
What's up, you guys? I can't yell too much, but hey, here, back at it again with the Air Force Ones. Now, the prior videos that you've seen were leading up to this event that I'm hold so dearly to my heart, because I had to wait, you guys. I had to wait until I received a custom fabric. So I'm giving it to you guys of how to make your own custom shoes. Go to like any local shop to where you can go ahead and get your custom fabric of your own print you want. Support local businesses, you know. That'd be a great thing. What you need is, what you're going to be needing is, first you need Air Force Ones, of course, but you need some masking tape, you need your fabric, and some scissors. Dang, where'd the scissors go to? Scissors. You need some glue, but right now I am going to be using a glue pistol, you feel me now? A glue gun. And then also you need a marker as well, but I need to run out and go get that. First thing you want to do is take off pieces of masking tape and places over the part of the shoe that you want the fabric to cover.
That's right, I'm doing me, I'm living life right now, man, and this what I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.
Next, you're going to take your pen or marker and trace around where you want the fabric.
I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.
This is important, so go ahead and take up all of the tape into one piece so that you'll see what you need to cut out. And then you're going to cut a little piece of the fabric.
I know way too many people.
Next, you're going to place the tape on top of the fabric and then begin cutting.
Like the last few nights, we've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm doing me, I'm living life right now, man, and this what I'ma do till it's over.
Now I'm taking the fabric that I cut and making sure that it lines up with where I want to place it.
Right now, man, and this what I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.
Then I begin to cut around the Nike swoosh.
I'm living life right till it's over, till it's over.
I decided to paint the area before I laid the fabric down. The fabric that I used was kind of like thin, so just to go ahead and not let it be too like see-through, I went ahead and painted the surface black before I put anything down. Best thing you can do before you start painting an area is to tape off what you don't want to be painted.
I'm living life right now, man, and this what I'ma do till it's over, but it's far from over.
If you get paint where you don't want it to be, you can use nail polish remover and a cotton swab, and it should take the paint right off. I'm taking the fabric, making sure that it lines up again around the swoosh. Now I take the glue gun and put a little glue down at a time, and I lay it down. I kind of went and did the whole process for the whole like segment of the shoe that I was gluing down. It's like went around, did little pieces at a time.
I'm not looking at the phone, too much shipping going on, but while we got this moment of peace alone, more rest and sex is all a nigga needs, and a lifetime of stress trying to put my mind at ease. I'm not looking at the phone.
Once the glue is dry, you can take the tape off.
While we got this moment of peace alone, girl, we should.
Life is great when you're naked. You press the gas and I break it. I drink liquor, don't chase it, and I get women, don't chase them. I put her face in the pillow and watch her bite on the blanket. See you tempted to taste it, get every drop and don't waste it. I'm fucking with you, I'm fucking with you. The type of dick to make a white girl say I love that nigga. I hit your Instagram and click like on like.
Now I went ahead and did the same thing to the front of the shoe, and I know not many people do that, but you just kind of repeat the same process of, you know, what you did to the sides of the shoe.
That's my baby, that's my baby. She love me for my drive, I love her cause she drive me crazy.
What's up, guys? Back here again. I switched locations because my my phone was dying, and then plus I'm in my room right now. So where we left off was the front part being glued down. I just got done painting. Yeah, the sides look nice. Nice clean cut finished. I did mess up a bit here with the paint, but we'll completely knock that out. So now I'm going to glue down this part. I got a couple paints, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the finishing look, because I've kind of showed you guys how I did it so far. So overall, that first shoe turned out pretty nice, but I'm gonna show you the finishing clip.
I put my business on hold. Let's explore the unknown. If you're not drinking with me, you force me to turn up alone. No peer pressure, I just know you like to get in your zone.